Hello everyone. In this chapter, we are going to look into what is the noun. So, what is a noun? A noun is a word which is used as the name of a person, place, or thing. For example, here is a sentence written, Yuvain is a nice boy. Now, the noun Yuvain refers to a particular boy, but noun boy might be applied to any boy as well as to Yuvain. Thus, Yuvain is a proper noun and boy is a common noun. Next, we are going to look into what are kinds of nouns. Now, the first kind of noun is a common noun. Now, what is a common noun? It is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. For example, dog, boy. These are the example of common nouns. Next, we are going to look into what is a proper noun. A proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. For example, England. England is the name of a particular country. So England is a proper noun. Next, example of a proper noun is John. It's a name of a person, so John is a proper noun. Now, one thing to be noted over here is proper nouns are always written with capital letter at the beginning. Next, we are going to talk about collective noun. So, what is a collective noun? It is the name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. As for example, family. Family is an example of a collective noun. Nation. Nation is an example of a collective noun. Mob is an example of a collective noun. A crowd. Now what is a crowd? It is a collection of people. So it is an example of a collective noun. As an example sentence over here, for example, in a sentence, a herd of cattle is passing. So herd here is an example of a collective noun. Next, we are going to look into what is an abstract noun. Now, it is usually the name of a quality, action, or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs. As we can see quality as goodness, kindness, whiteness, bravery. These are the examples of abstract noun. In terms of action, examples of abstract noun are laughter and theft. In terms of state, examples of abstract noun are youth, slavery, sleep. So these are the examples of abstract noun. Now, nouns can be classified whether they are countable or uncountable. It is also one of the way in which nouns can be classified. Now, what are countable nouns? As the name suggests, names of objects that can be counted. These are known as countable nouns. For example, pencil, table, etc. These are examples of countable nouns. And next we are going to look into what are uncountable nouns. As the name suggests, name of things which cannot be counted. For example, milk, music, etc.